Students, 9th standard English Unit 3 Old Man River. இந்த யூனிட்ல போன வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்னா புக் இன்சைடு உள்ள கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்துட்டோம். இப்போ என்னென்னா புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைசஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்சர் த ஃபாலோயிங்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்துடலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், based on your understanding of the play, choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. First question is, the radio announced that, என்ன அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணாங்க? The river was above the flood stage அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. So option A is the right answer. Second one is, mother could not get home from Mrs. Brand's because என்னாச்சு? The bridges between home and the town were under water. Third one is, the Burnett Dam gave away as, answer is C. It rained heavily and the snow was melting. Fourth question is, there was no power because the powerhouse was out of commission. A is the answer. Fifth one is, why did they splint up Sarah's leg with pillows? She had broken her leg below the knee. Now B, based on your reading, answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences each. இதில் வந்துட்டு ஒரு 9 questions இருக்குது. அதற்கான ஆன்சர் இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். First question is, why did Jim run from school? Answer is, there was a cloud burst. The river was in floods. So Jim ran from school to reach the Marshall home. Second question is, where was Amy's mother? Amy's mother was at Mrs. Brand's as the bridge on the way were under water. She could not come home. Third question is, why did Amy ask Betty to fill in the water tubs? The town water supply might cut off any time. It might be unsafe to drink the water during floods. So Amy asked Betty to fill the water tubs. Fourth one is, according to Jim, what are the 2 things that a person could remember in times of emergency? We must not let others see how scared we are. We should keep things like water, food, blankets, coats and lights together in one place. Now, why is Jim climbing on the roof? Jim could signal for help from the roof, so he is climbing on the roof. Sixth one is, who were there in the living room? What were they doing? There were Amy, Betty and Rose in the living room. Amy and Rose were knitting. Betty was looking at pictures in a magazine. Seventh one is, why were they going to sleep in the attic? The level of flood water is rising. The floor there would be under water by morning, so they were going to sleep in the attic. Who came in the boat? Tom Peters and Miss Marsh, the Red Cross nurse, came in the boat. Ninth question is, who is the founder of the Junior Red Cross? The founder of the Junior Red Cross is Henry Dunant. Now match the following. Amy, answer is blankets. Betty, flashlight. Rose, tubs and pails. Sarah, fractured leg. Jim, Junior Red Cross. Penny Marsh, nurse. Mrs. Peters rescues the children. Mother, Mrs. Brands. Dick, dentist. Dad, to Chicago on business. D, based on your understanding of the text, answer the following in about 3 to 4 sentences each. 4 questions are here. I have written the answers for you. Describe the home alone experience of the children. It is late afternoon in March. Amy, Betty and Rose are in the house. It has been raining for 3 days. It gets dark early on those rainy days. Amy and Rose are knitting and Betty is looking at pictures in a magazine. The mother has not returned home yet. The children feel home alone on the rainy afternoon. Second question is, elaborate the 3 rescue operations undertaken by Mr. Peters. Tom Peters comes to the house in a boat. Miss Marsh, the Red Cross nurse, comes with him. Mr. Peters is carrying Sarah, who is hurt. He places Sarah on the chairs. Miss Marsh examines Sarah. She splints up her right leg with pillows and umbrella. Mr. Peters lifts Sarah and put her on a stretcher. They place the stretcher in the boat and row towards the emergency Red Cross hospital in the Armory. Third question is, how did Jim prove himself as a good rescuer in the flood situation? Jim asked Betty to look up her flashlight, candles and lamps. He asked Rose to fill the tubs and pails with fresh water. With Amy, Jim checked on food, blankets and coats. He told everyone that they should not let others see how scared they were. Then they should keep all things like water, blankets, coats and lights there together. He also told them that he could climb onto the roof and signal for help. Fourth one is, briefly narrate the happenings of the play in the scene 2. இதில் ABCன்னு 3 கொஸ்டின்ஸாக இருக்குது. ஒன் பை ஒன்னாக நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், how did Amy manage the situation at home? It was nearly 11. Amy did not sleep a wink. When the rescue party came there, Amy ran to the window. She informed them of their presence. When Sarah had fallen off and hurt herself, Amy attended on her. When they carried Sarah out, she dropped a kiss on her forehead. When Betty was going out with Sarah, she asked her to tell mother that they were all right. How did Jim prove to be a real rescuer? Jim picked up a candle. He ran to the window and waved it back and forth. This helped. The rescue party went out with Sarah, Betty and Rose. Jim agreed to stay back with Amy. He said that they were safe on the roof. Thus, he proved to be a real rescuer. Now, C. How did Mr. Peters save the Marshall children? Mr. Peters reached the house in a boat. He had taken with him Red Cross nurse called Miss Marsh. Both of them attended on Sarah, who had hurt her leg. At first, Mr. Peters decided take Sarah out along with Rose and Betty. He left an extra lantern and a jar of coffee to Jim and Amy. He said that they could come back or send another boat. Mr. Peters rowed the boat to the emergency Red Cross hospital in the Armory. Students, இந்த சேனல் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. All the best.